The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boise Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for Ada County. At approximately around 7:20 p.m., several reports came in about few people being attacked by a black bear. However, the black bear has sharp fangs and a glowing purple and red eyes. It is unknown what causes the bears to attack people, but all residents in Ada County are strongly advised not to approach the black bears or wooded areas as for your protection. Stay tuned to local media news and outlets for more information on this event.
National Center Statement. Nearly an hour ago, the black bear has been attacking people right outside of downtown Boise, but mostly in wooded area. It has been noted that these black bears are not original black bear, these bears came from the portal from another dimension. An update description about these black bears. They have black fur, bright purple-red eyes, sharp teeth, sharp claws, has agility, extreme speed, enhanced hearing, and it is capable to attacking people with strength. If you see this black bear, run away as fast as possible. If you approach the black bear, you will be killed on sight. The police and the animal patrol will deal with the situation. Remain tuned to stations or other stations.
This is the administrative message which is being transmitted through the emergency alert tones. Since an hour ago, the black bears have been attacking people in forested or wooded, and since then everything has calmed down. However, there are still instance reports of people being attacked by black bear. It is now assumed that all residents are strongly advised not to approach the black bears. This message will repeat shortly.